Here we go with another one at God Bless You Upholstery. So we have this 85 95 GMC Obs Chevy truck that we finally completed.
Ta-da! This is a finished work on this tow truck. Everything got what it got done. Everything got done. From the headliner to the seats to the door panels to the dashboard, the carpet. Everything got redone nice and beautiful. Got some paint going on and reupholster the seats.
Brand new truck.
Yes. So beautiful.
Only thing we did not touch on this one was the headliner.
Oh, we didn't? I thought we did.
We did the visors.
Oh, only the visors. Sorry, guys.
Get the visors done, like burgundy stitching to match the seats.
All right, I'm ready to go.
Where are you going?
Who needs
Taking it to the
towing?
owner?
Yeah.
Oh,
Who needs towing?
okay. How much are you gonna charge them?
I don't know yet. But I'm ready.
Bye.
I don't even think I'll be able to drive this. It's too long.
It's going to get painted next. White front. Back's gonna be black. Chubby boy, Elvis Freshly. I wonder whose vehicle this is. Not for hire. Go. Chubby boy. Look at this side. We did vinyl on the doors instead of velvet. So all this is repainted. Everything works as it should. Look at the nice carpet.
So fresh.
Nice and fresh.
So nice and so clean.
Look at these. These are nice. Look at this. Nice. Comfortable. He said he wanted to be comfortable when he rides this thing. So, he got it.
You got it. Yes, you did.
Need upholstery. If you need any towing, don't get at us. If you need upholstery, get at us at God Bless You Upholstery or 832-488-9306.
06. Thanks for
06.
watching.
God bless you.
Bye.